Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations, legal, editorial and general. Ready? Start. It was observed by the court that the petitioner had challenged the dismissal order dated 7/1/2003 on the ground that the evidence recorded during the departmental enquiry was insufficient to sustain the charges of embezzlement. Stop. The court held that in a writ jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution, the High Court cannot re-evaluate the sufficiency of evidence, as long as some evidence exists on a record to support the findings. Stop. The court emphasized that judicial review in such cases is limited to instances where the findings are perverse, arbitrary, or based on no evidence at all. Stop. The case of State of Rajasthan versus Bhupender Singh was relied upon, wherein it was held that judicial review is permissible in case where the findings are based on no evidence or are perverse in nature. Stop. The Supreme Court reiterated that under Article 226, courts cannot act as appellate bodies and interfere with factual findings unless there is no evidence or procedural irregularity. Stop. It was further observed by the court that the labor court had carefully examined the proceedings of the enquiry and rightly concluded that the enquiry was conducted in accordance with law. Stop. The enquiry officer had come to the conclusion that rupees 500 had been embezzled from a customer's account, and it was supported by evidence on record. Stop. With respect to the contention of disproportionate punishment, it was held by the court that embezzlement of funds in a banking institution is a serious charge. Stop. Even though the amount was small and later refunded, that did not wipe out the misconduct. Stop. The case of Union of India versus Constable Sunil Kumar was relied upon, wherein it was held that courts can interfere in cases where the punishment is shockingly disproportionate to the misconduct proved. Stop. The Supreme Court held that judicial review of disciplinary punishment under Articles 226, 227 or 32 of the Constitution is limited and permissible only when the punishment is strikingly disproportionate, perverse or irrational. Stop. If a penalty is found disproportionate, the High Court must remit the matter to the disciplinary authority for reconsideration. Stop. It was held by the court that there was nothing arbitrary or unfair in the decision of the employer to dismiss the petitioner. Stop. The punishment of dismissal imposed was found to be not disproportionate to the charges alleged and proved. Stop. Thus, the labor court's award was found to be legal, justified एंड वेल रिजन्ड स्टॉप। सो ये हमारी 80 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा। सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल फॉर more dictations for Punjab and Haryana subordinate court exam. Thanks to all. Be practice for a better future.